G'day guys, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw an axolotl. Hope you guys can follow along and have some fun. Let's start with the axolotl's head, like an oval shape, and we're going to start it down this side of the page. So draw an oval. It's a bit wonky, it doesn't matter. Now we're going to draw the mouth. So draw a pretty much almost a straight line through here. We're going to bring the mouth up, like so. There's the mouth. Now we're going to bring an oval shape for the other eye. One there like that. Now get another oval inside the eye, colour that in. You guessed it, an oval on this side, colour that in. Now if you wanted to, you could leave a white dot in there. Now just under here we're going to put a little line like this, and then just underneath the mouth we're going to put some of these bumpy lines like this that come around, and they get smaller as they come around like that, and then bump it around here. Axolotls, what cool creatures. I remember seeing one of my friends in primary school had an axolotl as a pet. They're pretty cool. Let's put the front leg on, and then their fingers or toes, whatever you want to call them, they are quite irregular sorts of shapes. So almost like claws like this coming out. There's one. Now the other one's going to come out this side. So we're going to bring it out. And these claws are a little bit, fingers, toes, are a little bit all different. Okay, just try and make them similar size to that one. And then the leg comes in. So they're like a fish and a lizard almost. Remind me a bit of a lizard. Alright, let's bring this part on. And we're just going to put all these on first before we put all the bits coming off it. One there. Then bring one up there. There's three on this side. And then there's three on this side. 1, 2. And then just down a little bit further, we've got the other one, and that's going to be a little bit shorter. Now we're going to draw the back part. So it comes up, and then over the top of that one, and around like so. Now the inside of that, we're going to draw a line coming through here, and then it comes down like that. And then this is, I'm going to put the other leg on. The other leg's going to come sort of out here, that you see. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers or toes. Bring that into there. Now what we're going to do is bring this part down, back up, and then around like that. Reminds me a bit of a squid's tail. Okay, so there we have our axolotl. And hey guys, now it's time to add some colour to our axolotl. I'm going to be using some alcohol markers, Copic markers, and some pencils to add some final details. I'm going to even use a gel pen as well.
Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I hope you had a good time drawing the axolotl. Love to see your results. Remember, you can forward them through Instagram at Peter Evans Art, and I would also love to see what people might want me to draw. If this has helped you anyway, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Thanks guys. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.